Hello mensen, hi people. Hello mensen, hi people. Now, yesterday I took a drive up to the, up the Gamka private farm estate. So, with that car, en dan met deze car opgereden by die Gamka private estate. En ongelukkig het ek afgedraai van die weg, van die pad afgedraai en die modder vastgezet. Unfortunately, I had to pull off of the road because of an oncoming pick-up truck, 'n bakkie. Ek het met trek van die weg af, van die pad aftrek, want daar het 'n bakkie gekom, 'n pick-up. So I got stuck in the mud. So fortunately somebody living there looked from above because he lives he has a house on top of a hill in there. In die farm estate is daar 'n heuwel en hy het daar 'n huis bo-op en hy kon sien alles onder. En hy het gesien ek sukkel daar en hy het gekom met sy Mahindra pick-up. So he came down with this man has a house on the hill in the estate, and he saw everything going on down there, and he came to rescue me, and he towed me out with his 4-wheel drive Mahindra pickup. So that was yesterday. So today I'm going to take the yellow station wagon and we're going up there to have a look at the devastation. So ons gaan net nou ry met die geelstasie waar ons gaan kyk na die skade wat gedoen is daar aan die weg daarso, aan die pad gedoen is. So eers moet ek die ding was. So to wash this car quickly so that it can become dry before I come back. So let's move to the other side of the car there. So very nice. Nou baie fantasties. Then went right down into the mud, heel in die modder ingesak tot daar. And die wheel het gedraai, the wheel turned, it went right down into the mud like so far, and it turned in the mud, and there were some rocks, stones in the mud, and it scratched the rim, die rim geskraap. So hier op deze rim is skerp punte wat opstaan. So sharp things sticking up, splinters, whatever, metal splinters, and then I went to rub this with the mud off with my fingers, and of course you know what happened. I've now enough fingers. There's a cut in these two fingers, burning like hell. Very nice, fantasties. Nou snymerke in my vingers. Het wil lekker brand. Nou, goed, ons gaan aan met die met die sleutel kry. I must get the key of the station wagon. We're now in the wagon, and I binded my fingers up. My blood leaking fingers. It's now half 11, half 11, 10:30 me. Is the time 10:30, 10:30. So here I am again. The water was oral daar oorkant. The water was all over there. You could see the water on the 5th of June 2026. Now we have to go down to the river. So let's go and have a look there. Old R62 this. That's where I stopped, where the water went over the road down there. Sorry for broken fingers. Fingers been cut just now with a rim on that blue car, and that's a new R62. So let's go down here to the metering wall. So this is where I stood when the water was coming from there. So the water was actually up to here. Soos ek van tevore se video's gewys het. As I showed you for the previous videos, the water level was there. So the water was just coming, making that an island. The water was just coming up over here, where my shoe is, from that point to this point. So that would have been an island if it had been coming up higher. As hy bietjie hoër opgekom het, so dit 'n eiland gewees waar dit. So dis van daar af oor tot daar aan die kant. So that's about 2 car heights or 2 pickups on top of each other. That's the depth there, down there. 4-wheel drive pickups. Twee groot bakkies, 4x4 bakkies, bo op mekaar, so hoog as die water, gewees daar, in this land here, so hoog was die water, was daar bo, yeah, from this little island thing, across to there, so okay. That's just above the chrome stainless steel ring there, strap there, down. And sound, building sound now, yeah. Let's see what's going on here quickly. Let's kyk gou wat gaat hier aan. So they took this box or house, whatever, and they fitted it there. So now, down here, so what happened here? There you can see the other metering meter box. So the water took it from there, and it went down, sucked it down into the river, and it got caught there in the bushes or tree, roots or stuff in there. So that caused a vacuum here. The wall, the metering wall caused a vacuum, het 'n vacuum veroorsaak. 'n lae druk, en deze box, wat ook al, het afgekom en het afgetrek naar onder. En als het in die boom wortels vastgesteek. So that's the other metering box, the one from that side. This one they took out, it fitted there. Goed, let's see hoe hoog is die water nog. Let's have a look at the water height still. It's still very strong. There it went, made a detour. Daar is 'n detour, 'n ompad daar gemaak daar, om deze bome. So hy vlieg nog steeds daar. Excuse me, hy vlieg nog daarom. Still flowing around there. the detour. Let's have a look at the measuring here quickly and then go on with the story. I can't see down there. A little bit more in that 1 meter to 1, it's close to 1 meter. There is a meter. It's a 1 meter. It's about just over 1 meter. It's almost sticking out. So this is a 2 meter one, and this is a 3 meter one down there, and this is a 4 meter one here. So that is just about, where is it now? There. Just above it. My meter flowing over there. Goed. Vloei nou net 'n meter oor. Net 'n bietjie meer as 'n meter dan weer oor. There's still a lot of water. Let's go on with to the Gamka Bridge. Kom ons gaan na die Gamka brug toe. Ek moet nou daar opgaan. Met daai pad daar op na die weg terwyl daar na die aardsoekte toe en dan get the station wagon and carry on with the road. Now this is a steep part from this onward. Wow, en nou aan die top ja. En nou opgekom styl van daar so tot die steep up from there. Okay, now up to the car. Now the water is gone. What is it, Friday? So it's a Friday the 19th of June 2026 today. 2 weeks after the high water. And this is how it looks 2 weeks after the high water. So they made the mark here, I think. I must go down here. There's a mark, okay, yeah. So the water was just above this stone here. And they marked it like this, the roadworks guy. So it was over that fence. The water, went over the fence. Okay, let's walk that direction there. And this is now the land looks like. It's almost dry. It's muddy. The water is now almost out, but the mud is still there. And there is the olive. orchard there. It's still okay. And the water came rushing in here. En water het hier ingestroom met the helse force. And it slammed against the bridge there at the end. Later afternoon, about 5 o'clock, it slammed over the railing into the road. So it's quite high. I don't know how high it is, but I guess it's about maybe 8 or 9 meters from there to the bottom. So it's a high bridge, and that's how it looks like after the water's gone, or almost gone. The water is now there. Now we can see the old bridge there sticking up, and the water was right to the point there and across down there and against the embankment there on mountain. You can still see the mark up there. Kan die merk nog sien na bo. En dan alles orange brown, oranje bruin water there. Goed, nou gaan ons aan. Go back to the car over there. Wow. Okay, 2 big trucks at the same time passing me. The other one's there going up the hill there, and this one passed me on the westbound direction. Let's go over this road. Now I'm going in there, Gamka Private Farm Estate, and we're going up the road again, right up, where I got stuck yesterday with a blue car, and past that point. Okay. So I got stuck here on the left hand side, and then the guy towed me this direction, and then I went forward again the way I came in now. So let's go through this river, over this bridge here, water. Wow, there's a deep sloot in here. Like a great channel down here. Stop on top of here. Die bo op Stillo. Walk back, so jy kan hier af, hier is weer waar ek opgekom het, where I came up from the bottom there. Right, so the water took this, made a ditch here, met 'n groot sloot gespoel hier, die rivier. So you can see all these trees were underwater, alright, up to the top there, and there's still water here, where it made a new river. It washed here, so there was an island in between now, and I filled it up here with the excavator and so on. Somebody wanted to build a house up there. I think they stopped him from doing this because now all the soil, they worked the ground up there for the house, but now everything is gone. It went down the river. The bridge you can see down there in the distance, sticking out, the Gamka River Bridge, is one I videoed just now, a few seconds ago. Let's zoom into more. There you can see a piece of the bridge. Ek kan 'n stukkie van die brug sien daaronder wat uitsteek, waar ek net nog gefilm het. Goed, nou on with this road again. The cars up the hill, ja. Opstap weer terug daar, as ek auto. Die kar staan daar. Opstap. Walk up to the car. Okay. Taken a photo of these two houses, and that's where I was made a video. I made a video from the bottom there, up here, with their road, and I couldn't get further than about, where was it? I think it's there, behind that tree, tall tree there. And I couldn't walk further up because the water is now flowing in the road. Die water vloei nou in hulle weg af, so ek kan nie by hulle huise kom nie. Daar, die water was touching the right hand side, the house on the right hand side, and it was about a meter underneath the left hand house. So the water went here. As you can see, it's a deep gorge down the bottom here, where it made a big, wat is dit, sloot, met 'n groot sloot gegrawe, a new flow. Well, let's go on with this road. Water was here in the road. It didn't do too much damage here. It didn't cause too much damage. It did te veel skade verrig hierson. Here it becomes a little bit more rough. So raak hy bietjie grower, rough. Okay, still scratching there with excavator, clearing the rocks. Only for four-wheel drive vehicles here. Now, where must I turn? Okay. So I have to wait until he's finished the road to the other side that I can now omdraai, so that I can drive through and turn there and go over all these rough rocks. You can see here in the front these rocks, or I must make a multi-point turn here with this long vehicle. Met deze lange voertuig moet ek nou hier draai maak, back and forth between these rocks here and stones to go back. Okay, so let's see what I can do. And you can see the debris on the fence here. The fence is still standing. Tough fence, I must say. And the water was right up there. Side to side, from that mountain to this mountain. It was water. Hier hangt dit nie, hy het vir my getoeter, gehoed, en was opgereid in 'n kant. He went up the side here and he told me, showed me to pass. So, ek vir my gewink, ek moet verbygaan, so ek sê, it's alright, jy kan aangaan met die werk. I showed him you can carry on with his work. I'm going to make a U-turn. I'm going to turn here and let's go see what he's done here. So I walked from that point and he scratched with the excavator ground from there up this embankment here. Okay. So now this road is also better, yeah. You know, die pad weg is nou beter hier. En nou moet ek weer terug gaan en moet ek auto hier omdraai en turn the car here to go back. So now I have to maneuver the car between that point and this point until it's turned, and then I can go back to the southbound direction, the suidekant rigting. So ek het nou daardie speling en deze speling daar wat ek nou mee kan werk hierso om hier uit te kom. Right, now I'm in the right direction and I just have to go over these big rocks here in the front. I must actually get higher tires. It's not scraping. On the other side again, and these houses on that side there, and there's a land over there. I'm coming down to this horrible part here. Kom nou weer na die rowwe gedeelte hier af. Dangle, whatever you call it. It's more suitable for this. It's much higher from the ground anyway, and it has a low range. This one doesn't have a low range, but still good well on dirt roads like these. It's not too low, as you can see. I can still go over this middle monitor here. That's so high. It's just touching the exhaust. And I got stuck here. I'm going to stop there, where I got stuck yesterday. No, I cannot stop here because it's too muddy. I'd rather keep on driving. I got stuck there. where the stones are. Where the stone, that stone, yeah, that stone and that stone. That's where I got stuck. So it towed me backwards, and then I went out of here forwards. This direction. I'm driving now. So it's quite a high middle mannetjie. The center is high. Die middel van die weg is 'n bietjie hoog geweest daar. Kan nou is dit beter. Kan dit 'n bietjie meer sneller ry. Nasty knock. On I go with this road. Just stop filming this guy. Olive trees. I don't want dust on the olive trees, they say. So we go slow here. Now we're almost at the bridge. So bijna by die brug en die land is nou droog. Minder water. Modder, no water. Mud water. And here I'm driving, it's water. Higher than the car. And this is where the water stopped. And 81 and 2000 flat, the water went over this road down into by that gate there on the other side. And out by the gate we go. So the water flowed out by this gate and in by that gate and all over from this mountain, from this embankment right across. That's how the water was in 81 when the Laingsburg also washed away and the water went up the cutting here to the other bridge. Yeah, that's a long, big story. It was. So now I'm going home. I'm just there, so I stop this video here. ziens. Bye bye, tot ziens. Van die video. Ook nog een vloed video. Hier, wat is het? Number 18. Is it number 18, die video? Okay, right. I'm going to make a few more of the river because I want to go on the other side of the river. So I must wait until the 1 meter it goes down more. It must go down to 0.2 or something meters. Then I can walk through the river. So ek kan deur die rivier loop as 'n 0.2 meter. Dan as there goes a neighbor, that is our neighbor passing. So as 'n buurman wat daar verbyry. So dan kan ek deur die rivier kom met 0.2 meter. Op die oomblik is meer bietjie meer than 1 meter. It's just above 1 meter, so I must wait until 0.2 meters, then I can walk to the other side and see what happened there. Om te kyk wat daar gebeur het. Goed gaan tot die volgende video. Tot ziens.